Drop into the practice jump line, getting a few tricks done. Table, full scrub, toboggan, and little whip. Alright, dropping into the old Proline jump trail. Not as good as it used to be, but whatever. Oh. Hasn't been redone in a while. Oh. Nearly ate it hard there. Try to get a little whip. I pedal for these two jumps. Into the little drop off here to the big jump I can never clear. I got it, let's go. Alright, retry it, Proline. Hopefully I don't nearly go OTB on the first jump. Let's try, hopefully not. Much better. Wasn't actually that great, but at least I didn't really die. This is not a great run. Oh. Alright, into the big jump. Hopefully I can clear it again. Nope. Alright, got these two little steep jumps here. Good to, I don't know, just do whatever on. They're pretty floaty. And table. Two big berms into the weirdest section ever. Alright, starting at the same spot, got pretty much the only somewhat technical trail here. Let's drop into it. Starts with a little drop, not too big. And over the mount into this section, which is actually quite fun. Really good to test your flat cornering. Yeah, it's a short trail, sweet and short, but it's fun. Alright, starting in the shed, going down flow, gonna drop out of the trail, halfway down, jump out of a berm, and then go into probably my favourite trail, Wreck-It Rod. So let's drop in. Here's flow here, got some nice jumps on it. Starts with a little roller. Nice sweeping berm, another roller, little hip. Another little hip thing, another one. And then here's the berm jump. Screw that off a bit, but it's alright. Oh, a little jump there, I haven't seen that before. Alright, into Wreck-It Rod. Really flowy, huge berms. Massive jump into a step up. Step down, huge berm. Oh, so good. Oh, huge case. Oh, and that's that little lap. Pretty fun. Alright, dropping into Six Rocks. Starts off with a rock garden and full-blown jump trail. It's really the hardest trail here at the moment. It used to be awful, but now it's like so good. Oh, dropping in. Drop side to the left, 6 rocks. Oh, drop side to the right, 6 rocks to the left. Rock garden. Oh, fuck. That was nearly dead. Ah. Yeah, alright. Need to redo this one. Holy. 6 rocks at temp 2. Hopefully I don't die. Now I know. Gotta stay left on that jump, otherwise you die. Alright, into 6 rocks now. Let's go faster to the rock garden. Much better, there we go. Yes, clearing everything now. Oh, flip on flip. I think there was a snake back there. Oh, he's so good.